today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Airtable base with access controls and permissions. First, log into Airtable on your desktop and open the base you want to secure. Starting in the right place matters, because every permission you set will apply to this specific base, its tables and the views inside it. Next, click the Share button in the top right corner. This opens the sharing panel, which is the command center for who can see what. Think of it as your gatekeeper. Every collaborator, permission level, and shared link is controlled here. Before making changes, review the list of collaborators already on the base. Look closely at each person's permission level. This is a great moment to confirm that everyone still needs the access they have, and that it matches their role on your team. Now assign the correct permission level to each person. Owners have full control, including billing and permissions. Creators can edit the structure of the base and its records. Editors can edit records but not the structure. Commenters can view and leave comments, and read-only users can only view data. Use the principle of least privilege. Give the lowest level that still lets someone do their job. Check link sharing next. In the general access or link sharing section, turn off public access if you see it enabled. If you must share a link, keep it at read only or commenter to reduce risk. By the way, there's a link to Airtable at the top of the description, so you can open your own base and follow along or adjust these settings directly. Drill down to table and view permissions by opening a specific table. Use the view menu to choose which views collaborators can see. Hide any sensitive views, so only admins or owners can access them, keeping private data out of general circulation. Protect critical configuration by locking fields and restricting who can change the table structure. This keeps formulas, linked records, and other essential fields safe from accidental edits. Add created by and last modified by fields to important tables. These give you an audit trail of who made changes and when, which is invaluable for accountability and troubleshooting. Regularly review your collaborator list and remove anyone who no longer needs access. Reducing unused access is one of the simplest ways to strengthen security. Finally, make security ongoing. Periodically audit permissions, views, and sharing links, and update access as your team and workflows evolve. That's how you can secure your Airtable base using proper access control and permission management. Thanks for watching.